Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Sheila and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So the video today, I want to give a great review about one of the suggested way to make money online. So I'm gonna show you this way. I've watched many videos. Many people recommended that you can make $50 a day with this kind of ways. But today I'm gonna give you a review on that, and you're gonna see clearly how is it possible and how you can, or you can decide to go, or you can decide just to draw back from this way. So before we go further, guys, I want to ask you for a great favor. Please don't forget to go below and subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to click on the bell notification to be updated for every new released video. So that's it. Let me show you first what I'm talking about. As you can see on my screen right here, there are tons of videos on YouTube suggesting that you can make $50, 50 just working 20 minutes, 30 with Captcha. So today we're going to see together how is it possible and if you can really make this kind of money. So now you can see all those videos, and so let's jump in. The one I want to show you guys. Okay, first of all, this is how can you realistically make or earn with Captcha in 2020. I don't know how long or how old are those videos, but today I want to talk about this video for those of you who can watch it in 2020 because you're in 2020. So that's it. Let me first before to go further, let me define what Captcha is concretely. What it is. What is Captcha? You know, Captcha, we see it everywhere online, on Facebook, Google, on many websites. In fact, when you want to subscribe for any website, you will probably with high chance see a Captcha. A Captcha is simply a challenge, a way for website to check if you are a human or a robot, because a lot of people are just faking their identity on the internet, pretending to be human and subscribing to many things and doing a lot of bad stuff. So it is a security way, that is a way that you improve security of website and just making sure that you are a real person. So that's basically what Captcha is, and you have certainly seen it according to the picture I've just put it here. You can see the type of Captcha. There are many types. So now we are talking about how to make money with Captcha. How is it possible? How much it takes for you to make this type of money. So let's see first of all how much you can earn. So now I've put this amount of money. Of course, let me be clear. I say depending on the website you visit, you can earn 0.45 to $1.5 with those websites. But let me be clear, this amount of money is for 1,000. Let me add it here just to be clear. For 1,000 per 1,000 Captcha you're gonna make. So basically you will always start here. The first place you're gonna start is here. So we see a lot of websites saying that you can make $50 or even more with Captcha website. Is it possible? Of course, it depends on how much time you have, how much time you want to spend on those websites. Of course, you can make it. So now I just wanted to show you the type of money you can make in one of those websites. So now let's move a little bit further. So, okay. So now I want to discuss the pros that you have by decided to jump in, start to make money with those websites. There are many pros, and let's see just some. The first thing is that it's completely free to join. You know, there are tons of um, online business, or I mean online ways to make money. We may not be free to join, so this one is completely free to join. You have nothing to spend, no buck, and nothing. So the other pros that you can be paid with PayPal. If you don't have a bank account, or if you don't want to show your bank account, you can be paid by PayPal and also by many other ways. The other great things with those websites is that you can withdraw even tiny amount of money. So I don't know what may be your needs, but yeah, you can withdraw even 1.5, guys. So it's isn't better. It's not bad. And the last point, the last pros, and I can tell you it's not the least, is that you don't need any extra skills. You know, a lot of people are just stop friend to jump into making money online because a lot of ways requires you to have some great skills, but here guys it's almost easy money. I say almost, guys, it's almost easy money. So yeah, no skills. No, now I'm going to show you the top 10 Captcha jobs that you can find here. You can just stop the video, take the picture. If you want to check it for yourself, go and tap every name on Google. You're going to find them. So you have Colleague Tableau, you have Mega Typer, Captcha Typer, Pro Typers, and all the other ones, guys. You can decide to go and check it for yourself. I've showed you how much you're going to earn for uh, every thousand captchas you're gonna feel or complete. I've shown you the benefit of decide to make money with this method. But now I'm gonna show you some pros. And at the end, I'm gonna tell you which side I am. So what is the cons? I mean some cons, not pros, but some cons. So the first con, in fact, I have just two cons. No, I had 4 benefits, 4 pros, but now I have just 2, guys. It means a lot. So what are the cons? The first one is that you get $1 for every 1,000. Guys, I'm not talking about every 100, every 200, every 3, no, even 500. No, it's for every 1,000, guy. I think that just to go to 100, it's a lot. But to go to 1,000, guys, I don't know for you, but for me, I'm not really willing to go further. So the other con that I have to that, in fact, it's related to the first one. The first one shows us that there are tons of things to do, but the second one shows us the consequences of that. It means that it takes too much time, just too much time. Let's say I've made some research and I've found that to solve one CAPTCHA, you will need by average 10 seconds. Of course, when you have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 20, even 30, even 50, even 17, yeah, 10 seconds, if you make your maths, it's not too difficult. But when you take 10 seconds time 1,000 and you make the math divided by 60 and 60 again, you're going to see that you will need more than 2 hours, guys, in order for you to make $1. Okay, that's my viewpoint. I don't know how many time you have in your day. I don't know how you are spending your day, but I think that spending 2 hours, more than 2 hours for $1 is not worth your time. There are better things for you to do. You can do better things. So yeah, so at the end of the day, I will tell you that I don't recommend you to take this opportunity or this way of making money, because remember, it's completely normal for those companies website to give you this amount of money, because their goal is not to spend, is just to try to make more money. So for each captcha you're gonna solve, you're gonna complete, they will probably make more than what they are asking you, more than what they are giving back to you. So I don't think that is a great way. But let's say you are outside of the United States, or you are outside of Europe, of North America, because even if it's a short amount of money, but for some countries, from some countries far from United States, maybe in the Middle East or Asia, $1 may be a lot for them there. So I don't know, if you want, if you have the time, if you may not have many options, you can decide to go further with that option. But I can tell you there are more and better options online. And by the way, I'm recommend you one of my best way for you to start to make, let's say, five no 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 I mean $6 for every leads that you get, for every email. So I have a great system, and I will put it on the description, guys. You can check it, and yeah, that's it. I hope that this video has helped you. If you want to keep going with these options, I've shown you many pros and just 2 cons, but I think that the cons are very strong, yeah, stronger than the pros. So yeah, if you want to keep going with this way of making money online, you can. But for me, I hope that this video inspire. Please don't forget, if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. And I tell you bye bye. It was Simon for Tremendous Generation. Take care and see you the next time.